Anish, where exactly are you? Are you now planning to move towards the Samajwadi Party headquarters? Because Samajwadi Party seems to be doing well in Uttar Pradesh. The India bloc in totality.
Yes, of course. But Maria, these are of course early trends.
Okay, so for the first time, the NDA has touched
anything, but
300.
yes, according to what
that is
we
at
see,
9:54. The NDA touching
also once it came
300
down.
and India at 208. Please go ahead.
Yes, so I'm right now at the BJP headquarters, and apart from the preparations, the BJP of course is very confident that they are going to win this time. Apart from the preparations they have been doing for their Lok Sabha win, there is also preparations of the Bada Mangal that is celebrated in Lucknow. But these are of course what we are looking at right now is of course the early trends where we see Samajwadi Party or the India bloc in a stronger position than expected by many. If I look right now, okay, the Congress is leading on 7 seats, the Samajwadi Party on 28. Now RLD is leading on both the seats right now, which according to EC data, RLD is currently leading on both the seats right now, on which Bijnor and Baghpat, on which they were of course contesting. But of course these are very early trends, but some of the key close contest, my eyes are of course on Amethi, because of course I've been there for the longest time. Right now KL Sharma is leading by around 5,000 votes. It's against him, of course, is the giant slayer who defeated Rahul Gandhi in 2019 by a margin of 55,000 votes. So Amethi is of course going to be very closely watched this time. But of course these are early trends. If I talk about
just
other
move around and
Rajnath
show
Singh leading,
that has the level of enthusiasm perhaps gone down at the BJP office. Where is Yogi Adityanath? When is he expected to arrive?
There are not many party workers present, but you can see over there the preparations are going on. But these are just not for the, of course, the for the Lok Sabha results, but these preparations I'm sorry, are also for the Bada Mangal Bhandara that is organized across Lucknow. You can see over there, puri is being made, sabji is being made, and of course I would like to show you the delicious laddus being prepared here at the Samajwadi Party office. If my camera person could show the delicious laddus over there being prepared at the Bharatiya Janata Party office here in Lucknow. But these are just not for the election results. These are of course also for the Bada Mangal that is celebrated here in Lucknow. But yes, early trends show a close contest. India bloc in a stronger position, but these are of course the early trends. We have to wait. We can't say anything as of now, but yes, these are early.